हम फील्ड करेंगे सर।
इसके पीछे कोई कारण?
सारे मैचेस में अब तक हम
Ball by the captain. First ball gets a front foot forward. Oh, that's in the air. The first one, and that lands safely in.
Siddhant Aditra on strike. That's been late cut and misfield.
So not on the bowler, and he's doing a very fine job. That's in the air. Yes, he's doing a very fine job, and he gets a wicket.
He hit most sixes, 64 in that tournament. That just gone over that point for the strike rate. And then the lovely shot down the ground to make it. That has been put away. Make it 131. This is his.
अपने पिछले 4 मुकाबले चारों के चारों हारी है, लेकिन यहाँ पे अपील हो रही है तेज।
Mates, anybody in the team are getting a good start, but they're not playing as a team and not getting all the cues right as a team. But
लगाने के लिए जाने जाते हैं मोहम्मद रियाज, लेकिन इस बार देखिए बल्ले का ऊपरी भाग लग।
very experienced in the team. Now, just like that, is spin into action. First ball, bang out of the park he goes. One firing into the legs of the batsman, and you always have to be ready to give.
वो काबिल तारीफ जब आप फाफले में इतनी बेहतर गेंदबाजी करते हैं, लेकिन इस बार किसके सामने आप वो ध्यान लगा के देख लीजिए।
But the captain Pragnesh is covering up the balls that he's facing. Oh, that's been hit. That's been hammered, and you can look at the reaction. Looking confident to play the left arm spinner. Yes, beaten him on many occasions.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Suresh Goswami.
और वहां पे आप अपने भी शो कर सकते हो, टीम को भी एक अच्छे सम्मानजनक स्कोर तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, लेकिन इस ऑलराउंडर की भूमिका अलग है।
That has been put away. And what a way to get your half century to go. That has not been timed that well. Has that ball got the legs to go?
क्या बड़ा स्ट्रोक यहाँ पे देखने को मिल सकता है। जी हाँ, इस बात का ही तो हम जिक्र कर रहे थे।
That is from the sweet part of the bat. Nothing. That is put away. How easily puts the ball away into the.
उसका वो ये यूं कह सकते हैं आप T20 स्पेशलिस्ट बैट्समैन है, लेकिन इस बीच ये देखिए
Got a chance to bat. Yeah, went for another big shot. But good take from that long on fielder. It's just hitting higher on the bat. That's what
जेनिल नंदा आए और मिसफील्ड के चलते पहली गेंद पे खाता खुल जाएगा चौके के साथ। यहाँ पे
just because two right-hand batters are there out in the middle. That has been struck with a lot of power. That's gone for a
के
six.
लिए जबरदस्त अनुकूल नजर आती हुई ये 22 गज की पट्टी सीधे बल्ले से खेला डाउन द।
Suresh Goswami. That's been struck. That is six. That is Jainil Nanda for you.
लेकिन क्या ये बल्ला हाथ से घुमा, मिस शॉट वहां पे।
And when it's coming from the sky, it's a little bit difficult to spot the ball. And today, the sun is bright and shining, but well done by the wicket from this over till now from Sahil. Sahil really bowled well in the last game too. That's another slower delivery. But has this gotten the distance?
आपके पास विकेट बचे होते हैं तो फिर डेथ ओवर्स के अंदर इस प्रकार से आप रन बनाते हैं। एक और कड़क शॉट,
That's in the air. And poor work by the fielder. That should be boundary.
प्रकार की गेंदबाजी की और काबिल तारीफ। एक स्पिनर अगर इस प्रकार की गेंदबाजी करे, बेहतर शॉर्ट फाइन लेग पे खिलाड़ी मिड विकेट की तरफ जाएगी जरूर गेंद। दूसरे रन के लिए पलट के आएंगे, लेकिन क्या यहां पे जी हां रन आउट हो सकते हैं। तीसरे पिछले अपने 4 मुकाबले हारी है। दूसरी तरफ मीरा महेंद्र लॉयंस 4 में से 3 जीती हुई टीम, जिनके दिवेकर और अरमान शेख की सलामी जोड़ी मैदान पे, जिसको एक विकेट मिल सकता आखिरी गेंद पे। दूसरे रन के लिए पलट के चले गए थे जैनिल नंदा। बिल्कुल जी हाँ, थोड़े दूर रह गए, रन आउट होंगे ये आखिरी गेंद पे।
Mumbai Premier League. Oh, that kept a bit low, and that's
ऑल ओवर क्रिकेट की अगर बात करें और
the defense right. First ball in the air, and the placement has
उसके बाद आपके पास मौका हो सकता है कि आप एक मुकाबला जीते, लेकिन इस बार मिस हो गया ये शॉट।
injured. 184 is what they need to get. Missed timing there, and a comfortable grab. He's got one boundary. And Pragnesh, the captain, makes it solid in getting the wins. Oh, this one, bowled a bit quick. A better line, and they're taking that single. Oh, that has been thrown with great power by the young man there, and that's going to be costing them 4 more runs.
सूरज की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम, लेकिन हवा में ये गेंद है और पीछे है फील्डर, लीजिए विकेट जाएगा यहां।
First game for the side. Gets an edge, and that will fly over the third man and will find its way. And that's another good catch. 2 job now for the team. A catch is a cry, that's in the air. Sarvesh, oh, not in a good position to take that. His good beginnings only to take on to counter attack a team Miraba and the Lions, because they're looking very solid, and that has been fine set of all-rounders. They're shuffling across very well. He's punched it once again. First ball, taking the charge, hits it in the air. As a fielder who's gonna watch the ball land over the ropes.
कोऑर्डिनेट बढ़ के अब 11:30 के आसपास का हो गया है। थोड़ी देर के लिए हवा में जरूर गेंद, गैप में चौका।
Oh, that's gone through. That has gone through, beating everybody. At the moment, 11 point more to get. They need this, which are gonna be tight. Oh, got enough on it, has he? That has been taken on for a sixer by the young man, and he would want to bowl it in the slot. Good display of batting and clean striking. This time he goes over extra covers.
क्या वो मोमेंटम बनाए रखेंगे? फुल टॉस ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर और अपनी टीम के लिए खेलते हुए 40 गेंदें, 76 रन अभी भी चाहिए। इस बार गेंद हवा में, विकेट कीपर उसके नीचे आ रहे हैं और पकड़ेंगे एक बेहतरीन कैच। और
That's a poor delivery, put away. Fielder was up in the ring, 4 runs. This time he goes over covers. He doesn't move. Poor delivery. He comes down the track. This is flying. Fielder is there, and he takes the catch. The trick has done. The job has been done. But, or will it be 16-3? A signal of him having a good, healthy lunch. Welcome back, Prashant.
Yes, thank you, KB. And at the moment, although Thanush has been taken on for runs in the first 3 overs, he's 6 of 23, KB.
Why not? If you have a positive approach, you can. You need to go back to that match where Miraba and the Lions won against Kalyan Tuskers. We'll get the confirmation from the third umpire. That match was going one-sided. It looked like Kalyan Tuskers would win that match, but then the fireboy came. Rishikesh struck 2-3 sixes, and after that, Captain Pragnesh unleashed, and he finished the show with a 6. That's a not out. Do something different, do something special where you get highlighted. That's a good strike over the bowler's head from Vishwajit for 4 runs. It's a matter of 8 sixes. It looks like one is there on the way. Now 7 more needs. He goes deep into the crease. Has he got into the gap? Yes. 4.
And that's an attempt to go for that predicted result. In the process, loses the wicket there, Aryan. Can he put on the same display of batting effort? Goes for that shot, the lofted shot towards the extra covers, and that's a silly error from the fielder.
पे योगेश पाटिल फुल टॉस और पहली गेंद हवा में थोड़ी देर के लिए लॉन्ग ऑफ की तरफ गेंद गई है। एक रन चाहते हैं क्या? नहीं चाहते जरूर थे विश्व जगदाले, क्योंकि एकमात्र उम्मीद की जो किरण है अंबरनाथ एवेंजर्स की, वो विश्वजीत जगदाले कमाल का कलेक्ट किया गेंद को और तुरंत स्टंप्स को औपचारिकता शेष उड़ाया जरूर है गेंद को स्क्वायर लेग के ऊपर से। खेला फिर से वाइड लॉन्ग ऑन की दिशा में और देखिए फील्डिंग अपील, विकेट भी मिलेगा वहां पे योगेश पाटिल को अंतिम गेंद पे। विश्वजीत जगदाले एलबीडब्ल्यू बाय योगेश। लगातार यहां पे एक अच्छी पोजीशन में बनी रहेगी टीम मीरा महेंद्र लॉयंस 82 की 40 गेंदों में, उसके बाद में तनुष कोटियान के 29-22 गेंदों में, अंतिम क्षणों में सत्यलक्ष्य जैन के भी 9 गेंदों में 19 और विश्वजीत जगदाले के नाम एक